What's up, America? What y'all doing out there today? Today, March 8th. It's the end of the day. I just got a sale. It's only one, so just wanted to share it. It's a Pringle can. So I already got it wrapped up. Got in a potty bag. But it's a Pringles can. The Rick and Morty edition. The pickle Rick edition. And I got those from Walmart. Ended up getting 6 cans because that was all was left actually. And I saw these on eBay selling, so I grabbed all 6 cans. So right now I have 5 left, and I had these cans for probably about 2 weeks, maybe 2.5. So this is the first one I sold, but I got 5 more left, and I got these cans for $1.44 a piece, and the one I just sold was on offer up for $6. So that is a profit. I calculated $2 and some change, but all is good. That's all I wanted to share for y'all, and that's pretty much probably the end of the day, unless something else happens. But till then, I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for life, learn from your mistakes, and I'll see you later.